I'm a YouTuber now. No,
YouTuber.
I'm not.
Vlogging.
What year is this?
This is a 92.
92.
It has 29,000 miles on it.
Oh wow.
It's a baby.
Did it come with that wheel? Or
From the owner, so they're welded
okay.
two-piece progressive wheels.
oh wow.
Okay, nah, not like the insurance. They actually went out of business, but can't really find too many of them anymore. But the previous owner paid so much about that.
Oh, the previous owner did that. Okay.
It's average.
Is that from the factory?
Yeah, so this car was actually verified by Mazda.
Wow. Is it Laguna Blue?
Yeah, I think there's like, I think it's like 1,500 made in the States, something like that.
How much was the import?
Oh, it's 10.5.
10?
50, 60, how many miles?
How much?
50,000?
What was it?
64, I think.
64 kilometer? Which, or
Miles.
miles, so converted to miles.
It's like 101.
Yeah, it's 102 or something.
Oh, I love the color so much.
I know. I think there was like 1,800 made or something.
Wow. 2 units. I like the hood thing.
Yeah.
How did you do that?
Cut the stoppers
Oh,
that are like right here.
right. All right, so, but what's holding the hood from?
Windshield?
Oh, no.
Yeah, no, I hate it. I hate it so much. Previous owner did that.
Okay.
I didn't.
Oh, okay.
I want to get the struts, you know, the
Right. Oh, yeah. That's a lot better.
That's my next purchase.
Yeah. I mean, like, it's easy to work on an engine.
No, exactly, with
That's
it
a-
like that.
Yeah. It's the Honda thing.
Yeah, it is. That's what it was a Honda one. That's what I say.
What are you running? Mega Squirt?
Mega Squirt, yeah. Mega Squirt
And it's
ECU.
all stock component, right?
90% is
Okay.
stock. Got the intercooler piping's different. RX-7 injectors. Deechworks, I can't remember the number, but Deechworks fuel pump and ECU and blow valve.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, I think I had this once in my 97.
Mm-hmm.
Max I could get out of it was like 213 or something like that.
This is 220.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you modify the? Well, you probably got a better exhaust. Yeah.
Yeah, it has a ISR
Okay,
all the way
okay.
back and goes straight from the turnout.
Okay. Well, you got a better tune then.
Yeah.
Because I maxed out on that. So Matt, when you getting one?
Soon. Next
Soon?
car.
All right.
Next.
Yeah. Be on my video again. What's happening? What's happening, guys?
Like one person that could do it.
Okay. The car was right in front of us. I wonder if these are. There's nothing. You have to have full face.
Yo. Say hi to the camera.
That would work.
There you go.
Let me look.
Beautiful sunburst. I'm doing video. Just do the best you can. Yeah, they all boosted. What's this? Coffee bump? There you go.
For you, actually.
Oh yeah? Thanks. No. What's up? What's up? How's it going?
This thing's still alive.
That's good. Still alive. Ready for camping? Miata camping.
EMC is
Let's
ready.
go. Bring the whole family here.
Right? Live around the corner.
I know.
Well, I wasn't leaving him at home.
You bring your car? Where's your car? Oh, over here, right? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Hey, thanks for coming.
Well, because John hit me up.
Yeah. Did Alex decide to come, or he's still moving?
He said he's in Jersey packing.
Oh, you good. J-Rad.
I got to do it one more time, bro. Battery died.
I got it. So what is it? Phone control?
Yeah, the 3P has an app.
Oh, nice.
Air it up and down and everything.
Yeah, if there's no point.
I don't know how to put it on even. It's all you.
Any question I've had,
Cameraman right here. Got the good picture?
Tried to use the leaves as a.
Nice. Full ground?
Yeah.
There you go. I haven't seen this in forever. Damn. Wow, this thing is clean.
Yeah. You never see these things clean.
Is it been sprayed, resprayed? What?
Dang. Wow. Yeah, it was. I got repainted.
Yeah.
This thing covered up.
This is not factory, is it?
Yeah, that's factory.
It is factory?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's all factory.
Okay.
ハイパースピードメディア